The origin of the Veggie Burger can be traced back to various sources, with multiple individuals and companies contributing to its development over time. Here are some key milestones in the history of the Veggie Burger. Early concepts. The idea of meatless patties made from grains, legumes, and vegetables has ancient roots. Various cultures have long had recipes for vegetable-based patties or cakes, though they were not called veggie burgers. The 1960s and 1970s, the modern concept of the veggie burger started to take shape during the counterculture movements of the 1960s and 1970s, particularly among vegetarians and health food enthusiasts in the United States and the United Kingdom. This era saw a growing interest in vegetarianism and health food enthusiasts in the United States and the United Kingdom. This era saw a growing interest in vegetarianism and natural foods. Gregory Sams and the Vege Burger 1982. One of the earliest commercial veggie burgers was created by Gregory Sams, a natural food advocate in London, England. He developed the Vege Burger in 1982, which was made from wheat, soy, and other plant-based ingredients. Sams' product aimed to offer a healthy, tasty alternative to meat burgers. The rise of the Veggie Burger in the U.S. 1980s and 1990s. In the United States, the Veggie Burger gained popularity during the 1980s and 1990s, particularly in health food stores and vegetarian restaurants. Several companies began producing and marketing veggie burgers during this time, including companies like Garden Burger and Boca Burger. Mainstream adoption. By the late 1990s and early 2000s, veggie burgers began appearing on the menus of mainstream restaurants and fast food chains, catering to a growing number of vegetarians, vegans, and health-conscious consumers. Modern innovations. In recent years, the Veggie Burger has undergone significant innovation, with companies like Beyond Meat and Impossible Foods creating plant-based burgers that closely mimic the taste and texture of meat. These products have further popularized veggie burgers, making them more appealing to a wider audience, including omnivores and flexitarians. The Veggie Burger's evolution reflects broader trends in food culture, including increased awareness of health, environmental sustainability, and ethical considerations related to meat consumption. Today, veggie burgers are a staple in many diets and continue to evolve with new ingredients and culinary techniques. Veggie burgers offer several health benefits, especially when compared to traditional beef burgers. Here are some of the key health benefits. Lower in calories and fat. Veggie burgers generally contain fewer calories and less fat than beef burgers, making them a healthier option for weight management and reducing the risk of obesity. Lower in saturated fat. Most veggie burgers have significantly less saturated fat than meat burgers, which can help lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. High in fiber, veggie burgers often contain ingredients like beans, lentils, vegetables, and whole grains, which are high in dietary fiber. Fiber aids indigestion, helps maintain healthy bowel movements, and can contribute to a feeling of fullness, potentially aiding in weight management. Rich in nutrients, many veggie burgers are packed with vitamins and minerals, such as vitamin C, iron, and calcium. These nutrients are essential for overall health and can help boost the immune system, improve skin health, and support bone health. Contains antioxidants. Vegetables and legumes used in veggie burgers are rich in antioxidants, which can help protect the body from damage by free radicals and reduce inflammation. No cholesterol. Plant-based ingredients do not contain cholesterol, unlike animal products. A diet low in cholesterol can help maintain healthy heart function and reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Reduced risk of certain cancers. Diets high in plant-based foods have been linked to a lower risk of certain types of cancer. Veggie burgers contribute to this by providing a plant-based alternative to meat, beneficial for gut health. The high fiber content in veggie burgers supports a healthy gut microbiome, which is important for overall digestive health and can help prevent various digestive disorders. Environmental and ethical benefits. While not a direct health benefit, choosing veggie burgers over meat can reduce the environmental impact of food production and address ethical concerns related to animal welfare. This can contribute to a sense of well-being and alignment with personal values, which can indirectly benefit mental health. It is important to note that the health benefits of a veggie burger can vary depending on the specific ingredients and how it is prepared. Some processed veggie burgers may contain high levels of sodium, preservatives, and other additives. For the healthiest option, it's best to choose veggie burger. Thank you for watching my video. Please share, subscribe, like, and don't forget to click the notification bell for my new video.